So the previously discussed procedures for solving a game problem like saddle point technique and mixed strategies procedure we have discussed. Saddle point technique can be applied to any game problem of any order like m by n. It may be a square or it may be a rectangular payoff matrix. So if you come to the second procedure called mixed strategies, it can only be applied for 2 by 2 game problem. Okay, saddle point can be applied to any order of payoff matrix, and mixed strategies can only be applied to 2 by 2. So whenever it's a rectangular one, what do you mean by rectangular? I think number of rows not equal to number of columns. Especially if you consider a two-person zero-sum game of order 2 by n, means you'll have like this. With respect to, you'll have to, in two-person zero-sum game, you'll have player 1 and player 2 here. So whenever you have only two strategies with respect to the first player, that is, you are going to have A1 and A2, which stands for number of strategies of the first player. This stands for number of strategies of second player. In such a case, you are going to get a payoff of order 2 by n. So I think clearly we can observe the order of this payoff matrix is 2 by n. It's a rectangular one. Similarly, the other case you are going to see is nothing but here you will have player A and player B. Here this is of order 2 by n. Second one is nothing but it's also rectangular, where player A has m strategies and player B has only 2 strategies. Here we are going to get a order of m rows and 2 columns. These are called the rectangular payoff. Whenever you have a rectangular one with the order of 2 by n comma m by 2 without saddle point, we are going to use the graphical method. So what are the 3 techniques you have in game theory? First one, saddle point. This can be applied for any order m by n or 2 by 2, whatever it may be. The mixed strategies can only be applied for a 2 by 2 matrix. This graphical solution is used when there is no saddle point for a 2 by n or m by 2. First preferred method is saddle point. Whenever you don't find a saddle point for a given order payoff matrix, if it is a 2 by 2, you are going to use the mixed strategies. If it is a 2 by n or m by 2 without saddle point, you are going to use the graphical method. As you know that we can represent the data on a bivariate axis. So let us see how to how to solve a given 2 by n game problem. So let us take an example for this. So solve the following 2 by n game graphically. So in some questions they will specify, if not also you should be able to identify which method you should go for. Even here it is layer A, here it is layer B, here A1, A2. For B we have how many strategies you have? B3, and this is the given question to you: 2 1 1 6 0 3 and minus 2 2. What is the order of the matrix here? 2 by, this is of order 2 by 4. So we can use here saddle point. You check it whether it has a saddle point or not. Saddle point means max min should be equal to minimax. So clearly it doesn't have a saddle point. So this as it is not a 2 by 2 matrix, you cannot go for the mixed strategies. So these two methods are failed. It doesn't have a saddle point. It's not of order 2 by 2. So as it is of 2 by n order, that is 2 by 4, as one of the strategies are 2 in number, we are going to use the graphical method. So using graphical method, we are going to convert this 2 by 4 payoff into 2 by 2 matrix, and then we are going to use the mixed strategies again. Again I am repeating, this problem doesn't have a saddle point. So we are not going to use the first method. Moreover, second one, it's not an order of 2 by 2. So you cannot use this also 2 by 4. So as one of the strategies is 2 in number, you can go for graphical method. Using that graphical method, this 2 by 4 can be converted into 2 by 2, and hence you are going to use the mixed strategies method. Got it? Now, how to convert this 2 by 4 into 2 by 2? For that, we are going to draw a not likewise here. Generally, I think you didn't see a graphical representation of this type, a different one, but procedure is same. Let us take a bivariate axis with all the 4 quadrants, as you have some of the variables zeros and negatives. So let us mark this as axis 1, this as axis 2. Here you are going to represent player A and player B here. So let us, how many you have? B1, B2, B3, B4 are the strategies of 4. Let us take this as origin 0. On the top you will get minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Here minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. Let us represent each of these strategies on this axis. So what is the first one you have? You have it is B1 against B1, you have 2 to 1. So let us start from axis 2. Okay, from 2 to 1. So sorry girls, I think above origin you should represent with plus, below origin you should represent with minus. It's a mistake. So what is the first strategy you have? 2, 1. So you should represent B1 from starting here 2 to 1. Let us write here B1 as this represents this one. What is the second one? B2 is 1 to 6. I think from here, this is 1 to 0, this one. 1 to 0. Okay, what is the next strategy you have? 0 to 3. I think this one you are going to represent from here to 0 to 3. What is the next one you have? Minus 2 to plus 2, from here to here. What I said, this represent, the first one is B1. Okay, where is B2? This is B2, B3 and B4. So what I said, as it is of 2 by 2 or 2 by 4 payoff, we are going to convert that into 2 by 2 to solve that using mixed strategies. So as it is of 2 by 2, 2 by 4 order, means you have 2 in the first with respect to the first player. So you should consider the lower envelope. This is called the upper envelope. This is called the lower envelope. Okay. If it is of 2 by n, if it is of 2 by n order, you consider the lower envelope. If it is of m by 2, you are going to consider upper envelope to convert that into 2 by 2. So this is called the lower envelope. Okay, this is nothing but the lower envelope. Now from this lower envelope, you identify the maximum point. I think here this is the lower envelope. Am I right? That is nothing but the lower part of this strategies. I think this is the lower part here. From these you can see 3 points here, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3. Out of these 3 points, you consider the highest peak. I think this is the highest peak here. Am I right? This is corresponding to these are nothing but intersection of the 2 lines called minus 2 to plus 2 and 1 to 0. Minus 2 to plus 2 and 1 to 0. So to convert this 2 by 4 into 2 by 2, consider the lower envelope. Again in that lower envelope, identify the highest maximum point here. That maximum point is the intersection of the 2 strategies called minus 2 to 2 and 1 to 0. Those 2 represents the required 2 by 2 payoff matrix. So the max min is here, let us indicate this with a new name point called h, is the point h represents the maximum expected value of the game A. These are obtained by the combination of these lines b2, b4. Therefore, the solution to the original 2x4 game therefore can be obtained by a 2x2 payoff matrix obtained by, there is no change in the strategies of player A, but moreover here you got b2 and b4 as h is the combination of these two strategies. What are those? 1 0 and minus 2 2. So now as it is converted into 2x2 game, I think what is a11 here? A11 is 1, a12 is minus 2, a21 is 0, a22 is 0, a22 is 2. Now what is the, you have the formulas for value of the game, expected value of the game and optimum strategies for A and B. In the previous one we have discussed the formulas for under mixed strategies, which are nothing but expected value P1 is SA is given by P1, P2. How many we have with respect to B? You have original problem consists of 4 strategies. So write down B1, B2, B3, B4. But here we have only the values for B2, B4. Let us write those with Q1, Q2 and the remaining as 0. Again repeating, SB originally it's of 2x4. So player B has 4 strategies, B1, B2, B3, B4. As we got the common intersection of these two represents the maximum point, you are going to find out the probabilities for those. Remaining B1 and B3 have the probabilities called 0. Now what is the formula for P1? P1 is nothing but A22 minus A21 by A11 plus A22 minus A12 plus A21. P2 is 1 minus P1. What is Q1 here? Q1 is A22 minus A12 by the same denominator, which is nothing but Q2 is equal to 1 minus Q1. What is the value of the game here? A11, A22 minus A12, A21 by A11, the same with, I think the same denominator for all. So let us find out P1 here. What is A22 here? This is 2 minus A21 is 0 by A11 plus A12, 1 plus 2 minus 2 plus 0, which is nothing but 2 by 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 2 by 5. What is P2 here? 1 minus 2 by 5, which is nothing but 3 by 5. What is Q1? Q1 is A22 minus A12, which is nothing but 2 minus of minus 2 by the same denominator 3 plus 2, which is nothing but 4 by 5. Q2 is 1 minus 4 by 5, which is nothing but 1 by 5. What is value of game? A11 into A22 is 1 into minus 2 minus 0 by 5, which is nothing but A11 into A22, which is nothing but 2 by 5. So you are going to write here the value of the game is equal to 2 by 5 and SA, the optimum strategies as it is of order 2, you are going to write here A1 and A2. What is P1 here? P1 here is 2 by 5 and the other is 3 by 5. For SB, as I said you that you are going to have 4. Out of these 4 strategies, 1 and 3 are 0 and you got the rest as 4 by 5 comma 1 by 5 and the value of game. This is the solution for 2 by n. Thank you.